Places. It's amazing how we see different places. It's not the exact chill location of a place that keeps us tethered to it. Oftentimes it's a feeling, the emotion behind the place. And by the end of the day, no matter where we travel to, no matter how exciting, there's one place we always cherish the most, and that's home. This was my home for nearly 10 years now. I moved in with my wife here. I had my first, second, and third kid here. I started venturing out of my comfort zone and actually started to pursue and explore my passion, which is making stories and this entire YouTube channel that I've built. A lot's happened here. I'll miss this place. But the funny thing about home is that it's a place that can be moved. It's actually tethered to those whom we love and call family. So as the sun sets in this beautiful country I call home, I'm ready. I'm ready for the next chapter. And from the bottom of my heart, I appreciate you guys for accompanying me every step of the way. We got a lot to do.
Yeah, we're selling our house. So it's kind of a weird situation. We ended up buying a house. I hope you guys like that. I know some of you guys have probably already seen that. It was part of like this larger video I had done quite some time back. And the thing is, I'd kind of buried it into like this entire video. And for the longest time, I've always thought, you know what, I wish I could make that its own thing. Honestly, it's simply because it's such a pivotal, like big moment or chapter in my life. And I kind of want to document that in a separate, memoir of its own. And I just want to say thank you so much from the bottom of my heart to everybody who has supported me along this journey all the way up until here and going forward. It really means the world to me that you guys are willing to watch the stuff that I put out. The fact that every time I drop a video, you're watching it, and those people who are commenting on every video, you guys know who you are. It means a lot. Thank you so much for all your support. It really means a lot to me, and I will see you guys in the next video. Take care, stay blessed, peace.
Little by little you wear me down.
Thank you.